Did you ever have your bank freeze out? Or get stuck with the whole P2P hassle just to pay some bills? What if I told you that you can skip all that and still buy groceries, pay bills, get phone data, and even book flights with Bitrefill? Bitrefill is a crypto shop with more than 20,000 gift cards in over 170 countries, plus eSIMs, mobile top-ups, and even bills pay in some region. It's basically a bridge from your wallet to real life. And the flow is super simple. You pick, pay, and use. You can pay with BTC, ETH, SOL, BNB, LDC, SUI, or even stables. You get the code instantly and it's non-custodial, so your funds never sit on Bitrefill. So, if you earn in USDC, trade on weekends, or love traveling, you can load food apps, rides, gaming, hotels, and even phone data or bills straight from crypto. If you ask me, this feels like a private off-ramp where you skip banks and exchanges for daily crypto, and your crypto becomes groceries, flights, subscriptions, or even rent within minutes. So, what are you waiting for? Check out Bitrefill today.